Last video I was losing my braids, and so now my braids are off my head and now I want to wash them. But before I wash them, I will detangle my hair before I start my hair wash. So why I do this, like I said in my last video, is because it cuts 15 minutes off my hair wash, and also like it really allows me to penetrate the shampoo into my scalp. How are you going to be able to do that if your hair down to your roots is tangled? Like, right. And the shampoo adds on to the tangle. So if you don't detangle your hair beforehand, then it just gets even worse when you get to the conditioner stage and you have to brush your hair with the conditioner on your hair. It gets worse. It gets worse. I make it a must that I brush my hair before I wash it so that the shampoo doesn't enhance the tangles in my hair, and it always works. The way I detangle my hair is interesting, so I'm gonna show you guys, and maybe some of you guys who may need this tip can take a few pointers from the way I detangle it. I just section off some of my hair. I work in parts so that I make sure I detangle it very well. So first of all, I use water. Use a generous amount of water. Don't be shy. If it runs down your neck, don't be shy, just keep spraying. I'm using a leave-in conditioner. Use any sort of conditioner you have. Hair mask works. Use any sort of conditioner really. And so then I use this brush and then just start on my ends and work to my roots. Love it how it just springs up and down. Flossy hair's a vibe. So yeah, do the same with the rest of the parts. This quarter of my hair is done. What I normally do when I wash my hair is I wash them in twists so that I'm sure that I'm washing the scalp and that the ends are not in the way of my purpose in washing the roots. 10 minutes has passed by and I'm on the last part of my hair. I'll show you again. Water, add your water, some leave-in conditioner, and then just brush ends to roots. Brush out all the knots. And now I'll just put it into twists, loose twists. So that is it, guys. My hair is in twists, it's ready. And this is all the hair I've lost. It's actually not as much as I thought it would be. Why is my hair serving? It's always been serving. What am I talking about? I'll see you guys later.